So you follow initial hacking steps like information gathering, reconnaissance, and scanning. And by doing that, you found some vulnerability in victim's machine. Now you try to exploit that vulnerability to gain access to victim's machine. But suddenly you found that victim is using some firewall or antivirus, and it's stopping you to gain access to victim's machine. We will see how we can bypass all the antivirus and firewall and try to hack systems which are fully patched and up to date. Hello, my name is Arslan Salim. I'm a security expert and application developer. From past 7 years, I have developed and worked on security of many industrial softwares. In this course, we will create undetectable malware and try to gain access to systems which are up to date and fully patched. Then we will see how we can bind payloads with different files. After doing that, we will see the fourth phase of hacking, maintaining access, and we will see how we can maintain access to systems. After watching this course, you will be able to create malwares that can bypass any antivirus and firewall. Thank you.